Eat. Sunset. Oh, OMG.
Do you want me to do a video with you?
Yeah, no need. Hindi, oh, ang laki. What's that?
No one's going out, I think.
Yeah, I know.
It's just
Ang laki-laki.
it looks very
Oh my goodness me. What's that? Is that what's that, Loba?
I think it's a bulk carrier.
Huh?
It's a bulk carrier. So
What do
it
you mean?
carries like materials like coal or steel, graphite.
Kala mo hindi umaandar, pero umaandar. Laki. Oh my goodness me. Oh,
Yeah,
ganda rin.
you can actually go to those islands.
Lord. Tara na. Dito. Come on. Dan. Come on. Doon daw kami kakain, guys. This way. Doon daw kami kakain, guys. Nahiya naman ako. Doon dyan. Ayun, cute naman. Ay, nag-iiba yung kulay niya. Blue. Tapos red. Mamaya.
Like I both love and hate you right now.
Purple red. Ganda. Yan guys, nakauwi na kami. So, yan. Mahilig na siya paggabi. Ang oras pa lang. Mag-alas 8 pa lang. Diba? So, nasa third floor kami. Pero okay lang din. Bukas uwi na kami. Diba? Yung mga industrial din. So, mga industrial nila. Industrial. Maraming trabaho dito guys sa Australia. Mag-apply kayo. Mga engineer dyan. Mga skilled worker. Sayang. Diba? So, bukas ulit kami kita-kita pag pauwi na. No? Okay. Good night sa atin. Bye-bye. Tignan niyo guys. Sabado is parang ghost town. Diba? Kumain kami. For breakfast. What time is it? 8:30.
What?
Okay, balik na kami ng hotel.
It's 22:12.
What time?
11:40.
Pabalik na kami ng aming hotel. Because of the ice. The ice. Where?
Do you want to go anywhere before we pack and over to the park?
No, need a good day.
Do you want to go to that park we went to yesterday?
No.
The one just down where the restaurant was. A little boy asked John if he would play with him.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Would you have played with that little boy if you had time to?
Doon kami nagkaling. Sa mga pangatlong kanto. Basta sa dulo. Yan. Akyat. Ganto dito. Kapag weekends. Walang tao. Okay lang. Tapos sarado rin mga tindahan.
Sydney made a success of it.
Bakit na lang halaman nila?
2004.
Akyat. Ito. Pagkapitan. Ayan.
I think they're real rock. They managed to cut
Right.
that out. I don't know. Very hard rock stuff.
Artwork. Check mo dito. Dito kami sa Pagpapagod. Yan. The Gladstone Hotel. Ay, Diyos ko, Rudy. Dito kami. Ang haba na ito, Thai Classic. Restaurant na to. Parang marami kumakain dito.
Used to be the entrance to the office where we used to
Ah,
and they
okay.
were on level 3.
Okay.
They're not there anymore. I think they shrunk down.
Oo. Marami ng coffee dito. Live. Live music pala. Ayun na. Hala. Ang ganda nito. Ka na naligbot yung mga nila kasi. Ang tamad. Paakyat.
I don't think it's open, is it?
Wala naman dyan.
Rafting.
Come on, John. Come on, John. Wall 3. Did you like it? Huwag ka na ba? Pupo.
I've already had one, but I really needed it.
How about you, John?
I think that I
Dudu?
do.
Oh, you didn't have a dudu, ah?
I don't think he's had one all
Oi.
day, has he?
Did you have a dudu? No. Why? You need to have a dudu. Dito ka ba? Ulit na kami sa amin. Wait lang. Wait lang. Uwi na kami sa amin. We're going home. Waiting for the John. Waiting for the Sondo. Yung maghahatid daw sa amin. So, okay na yan. Pagkalo niya. Sabi 10. What time is it? Waiting. Our flight is 11:45, yeah? Yeah. Check it. Sana wala nang delay. At makauwi kami ng maayos. Di ba, John Walter? Yes, bebe? Okay.
Hello, Ben speaking. Oh, hello. Are you out the front? At the back. All right.
Yan na, nandyan na yung sundo namin later. Pag nasa airport na kami. Bye-bye. Dito na kami sa airport. Magot pa naman. Flight namin is 11:35. Boarding time is 11:15. So, ayan, dalawa. Tumigil pala. Ayan. So mainit. Nainitan ako. Pero pagdating namin ng Brisbane is malamig. So, kaya, ayan. Leggings ang tayo at nag-rubber shoes tayo. Ayan na. Dumating na. Yes, yo. It's on time. No need.
For the Wi-Fi.
I don't like. It's too slow. Diba? So, may ulit guys kapag nasa Brisbane na kami.